This is the RCM Workflow on expEDIum. In this demo, we shall cover the salient features of expEDIum. Patient demographics, where you enter patient data, insurance information with other information related to patients, including viewing patient ledger, patient balance, and making online payments. Patient appointments. You can schedule and manage appointments, also peruse them through daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly views. You can also perform bulk insurance eligibility verifications. Insurance Eligibility Verification. Want to know about your patient's eligibility before they visit you? We have it covered. You can perform single and bulk insurance eligibility verifications in real time. Claim entry. Charge entries are made simpler and seamless with our Electronic Superbill module. You can also natively create primary and secondary claims using our CMS 1500 or UB04 lookalike forms. Claim validation scrubbing. Built-in claim validation with hundreds of edits, which catch most of the errors in claim before submitting to clearinghouse and payers, thus getting paid faster. Claim submission. Automated scheduler-based batch submission of claims securely to a clearinghouse using standard HIPAA X12N EDI. Payment posting. Payments will be auto-posted and reconciled with claims. You can also post payments manually. Secondary claims will be auto-generated for crossover payments. Rejection and denial handling. You can review your rejections and denials reported by clearinghouse and payers, scrub and resubmit these claims as many times as needed. Patient statements. Create and send patient statements or bills periodically. You can print, email from in-house, or outsource to a vendor such as BillFlash. Aging analysis. Are you worried about payment delay? Review aging reports and make single or bulk claim status inquiries seamlessly to know the current status of claims in real time. Reports and auditing. Get an insight of your practice from our 60+ flavors of reports. All reports can be exported to PDF, CSV, or Excel format files. Collections. Not getting paid even after several reminders? Flag for collection and refer to a collection agency to get paid.